This video will just be a quick overview of installing a larger battery in the 2013 Honda CR-V. I started with the knowledge I found online that you can upgrade to a Group 24F battery, but because I was putting an audio system in this car, a high-end audio system, I knew I wanted a battery with a little bit larger capacity and something more suited to the high current draw I needed. So I did my research and I found a battery that's very similar in physical size to the 24F battery, and that turned out to be a Shuriken SKBT80. It's an 80 amp hour battery. They recommend it for an 1800 watt audio system. The downside is that this type of battery is not really meant for a starting battery. So I'm just going to have to pay attention to it. Hopefully it'll work out okay because the engine, the CR-V is kind of small. So hopefully it'll always be able to start it just fine. But so I bought the Shuriken battery, I bought the matching battery box, and I'll walk you through the steps, just the brief steps and overview of what I did to get that put in.